This lecture video. In this video, I am going to explain problems on oscillations and waves, which comes under module number 1 of engineering physics prescribed by VTU. So let us go to the problems. The first problem is find the frequency of oscillations of a free particle executing simple harmonic motion of amplitude 0.35 meter if the maximum velocity it can attain is 220 meter per second. So here the given data is the amplitude of vibration, that is 0.35 meter, and the frequency is 220 meter per second. So here we have to calculate the velocity, that is 220 meter per second, it is already given. So here we have to find the frequency of oscillations. So we know that omega is equal to V max by A, and omega is equal to further 2 pi mu. Therefore frequency mu is given by V max by 2 pi A. Here A is amplitude and V is the maximum velocity is given, that is 220 meter per second. If you substitute the values of V max and A in the formula, and on simplification and on calculation, we are going to get the frequency of oscillation is equal to 100.04 Hz, or it is 100 Hz approximately. So this is what the solution of this problem. So here the amplitude is given, that is 0.35 meter, and the maximum velocity is given as 220 meters per second, and hence omega can be calculated as V max by A, but omega is equal to 2 pi mu, therefore mu is equal to V max by 2 pi A. Substituting the value of V max and A in the formula, on simplification the value of frequency is 100 Hz. So this is what the solution for this problem. Second problem is find the displacement at the end of 3 seconds and also the amplitude of oscillations of a body executing simple harmonic motion in a straight line if its period is 10 seconds and if its velocity is 1 meter per second at the times 2 seconds after crossing the equilibrium position. Assume that there is no resistive forces. So here t is given as 10 seconds and v is given as 1 meter per second, and when t is equal to t1, that is equal to 2 seconds, calculate the value of a here. So we know that v is equal to a omega cos omega t. Further a is equal to vt by 2 pi cos 2 pi t by t. So substituting the values of the given values in the formulas, whatever we noted here, so the value of A is found to be 5.150 meter. Also x is equal to A sin omega t, then A sin 2 pi t by capital T, that is nothing but 5.15 sine of 2 into 180 into 3 by 10. Then on simplification we are going to get the value of x as 4.898 meter. So this is what the solution for the given problem. The third problem is find the frequency of vibration of a sonometer wire which reaches a maximum velocity of 6.28 meter per second when its amplitude of vibration is 1 centimeter. Assume the vibration is to be free. So here the value of V max is given, that is 6.28 meter per second, and the amplitude of vibration is 1 centimeter, that is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. So find the frequency of vibration, that is what is mu. So we know that omega is equal to V max by A, further omega is equal to 2 pi mu. Therefore V can be written as V max by 2 pi A. Therefore, if you substitute the value of Vmax and A in the formula, the value of V that will be around 100 Hertz. So this is what the solution for the given problem. So if you are given with Vmax and amplitude, so you are going to calculate the frequency of vibration of the sonometer wire, that is mu is equal to Vmax by 2 pi a, that is nothing but 100 Hertz. So this is what the solution for the given problem. Fourth problem, evaluate the resonance frequency of a spring of force constant 2467 Newton per meter carrying a mass of 100 grams. So here the value of force constant K is given as 2467 Newton per meter and M is 100 grams. That is what the value given. So you are asked to calculate what is the resonance frequency mu. So we know that omega is equal to square root of K by M. Further omega is equal to 2 pi mu. Then we can write the value of mu as 1 by 2 pi into square root of K by M. That is 1 by 2 pi into square root of K in place of K 2467. You have to substitute. And mass is 100 grams, that is 100 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Then on simplification, the value of frequency of the spring is calculated as 25 Hertz. So this is what the solution for this problem. So further, the value of K is given as 2467 Newton per meter and the mass applied is 100 grams. So the value of resonance frequency of the spring is calculated by making use of the formula omega is equal to square root of K by M and omega is equal to 2 pi mu. So the frequency mu is given by 1 by 2 pi into square root of K by M. So substitute the value of K and M, and on simplification the value of mu as 25 Hertz. So this is what the solution of this problem. Fifth problem is, given the force constant is 9.8 Newton per meter for a spring, estimate the number of oscillations it would complete in 1 minute. If it is set for oscillations with a load of 89.37 grams, assume there are no external forces acting upon it. So force constant is given as 9.8 Newton per meter and mass suspended is 89.37 grams and time is considered as 1 minute. So 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds. So we know that omega is equal to square root of K by M and further omega is equal to 2 pi mu. Therefore mu is equal to 1 by 2 pi into square root of K by M. Substitute the value of K and M here, and on simplification the value of mu is found to be 1.67 Hertz and further N is written as mu into T, that is calculated as 100 oscillations. So that's what the solution for this problem, that is the number of oscillations completed in 1 minute is observed to be 100 oscillations. So this is what the solution of this problem. Next, the sixth problem is, a mass of 4.3 gram is attached to a spring of force constant 17 Newton per meter. This mass spring system is executing simple harmonic oscillations. Find out the frequency of the external force with which external force which excites resonance in the system. Ignore the mass of the spring. So here the value of force constant given as 17 Newton per meter and mass attached is 4.3 grams. So the angular frequency omega is equal to square root of K by M. Further omega is equal to 2 pi mu. Therefore mu is equal to 1 by 2 pi into square root of K by M. So substitute the value of K and M in the formula. Then on simplification we are going to get the value of mu as 10 Hertz. So the force constant given as 17 Newton per meter and M is 4.3 grams. So omega is equal to square root of k by m, and further omega is equal to 2 pi mu. So mu can be written as 1 by 2 pi into square root of k by m. So value of k is 17 here and m is 4.3 grams. So convert that into kg. Then on simplification we are going to get the value as 10.03 hertz, or it is approximately 10 hertz. That's what the solution for this problem. Thank you.